In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the stained glass windows in your paper lantern and also how to fold it up to make it three-dimensional and functional. So after you've cut out your lantern template on the thick line, so we cut on the thick, fold on the thin line, your lantern template will look something like this. So you'll notice there's holes here for windows, and we're going to be adding tissue paper to make sort of a stained glass effect. And you can even see here how the light is glowing through there. It makes a really pretty effect. So after you've cut this out, you're going to fold on all of your skinny lines, okay? You can see that I've folded on all of these. And then you're going to flip it over. You're going to get some tissue paper from the Collage Center, and there's warm color tissue paper and cool color tissue paper. Fit it about the size of the window and cut it to fit. Then what you're going to do is place the tissue paper over the back side of the window. So make sure you do this on the back, not on the front. And you're going to take a pencil or a crayon. I'm using crayon so it shows up on the video. And you're going to trace around the outer edge of the window, but trace a 1/2 inch bigger, okay? Just because that's where our glue will go. Once you have this drawn out, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut on that line. Whoopsie. Now you can choose to make windows that are, you can do all one color window. Since we have 4, you can do multiple colors, but they do have to be made of one piece of tissue paper per window, okay? So we're not going to have the ability to make it like a stained glass window where there's multiple colors in one spot. So once you have that cut out, you're going to get a glue stick. If you have one in your bag, you can use it. If not, you can borrow one from the Collage Center. And you're going to put a generous helping of glue right around the edge of the window. Make sure it's right up around the outer edge. And then before it dries, you're going to place your tissue paper on there and really press it down, smooth it out. And then when you flip it over, it's going to look nice and clean like that. So that's why we have to put the glue on the back, not on the front. Now I would go ahead and do all of my windows, but just for time's sake, I'm going to show you how to fold this. So you're going to need tape for this, and once you have folded everything on the skinny lines, you're going to start out by taking on one end, you're going to take it and fold it over the next side, okay? So this is my bottom, so you see how I have, right now it looks sort of like a square. I'm going to grab a piece of tape. You can also rip your tape ahead of time and put it on the edge of your desk if that helps you too. And you're going to put a little tape there. Now you're going to fold over one more time, so the next part, or the next, I guess, wall of the lantern or side of the lantern, you're going to fold over and you're going to place tape there. And then you're going to place your last one over the end, and you're going to be placing your tape right on the end there. Now you'll notice that my name is on the bottom here and my class code. So what I would like you to do, actually let's go ahead and just do the side first. So I'm going to take a little piece of tape, small piece, and right at the top I'm going to put one little piece, wrap it around, and then I'm going to do one more piece. So now I have it pretty much constructed. Now what I want to do is put my name and my class code, like 3F or 4C, whatever it is, on the bottom, because that way once it's all folded up I know whose are whose to give them back. And then you would punch a little hole in the top around the edges, put a string through it, through all 4 dots, and then you would have a little functioning lantern. So you could even see here that when the light is kind of coming through it, it's got a nice little glow about it. So just wait until you get the